All right, everyone, it is that time again. I have run out of Quetzal, so tonight I will be Ntuav Kua Txob. So as you can see here, I've taken apart the stems to put inside of the mortar and pestle, and I'm adding some salt so that whenever I'm smashing down the peppers, the salt will attach to the peppers that I have frozen previously and help break them apart. So tonight I'm using Thai peppers. And just a heads up, if I forget anything that you might have added, go ahead and add it in the comments for me so that I can learn along with you guys. So here I will be adding the sugar. I might have added it a little too soon, but I am pretty certain about the amount that I enjoy. I don't like it very sweet. And this, my friends, is the secret ingredient. I have not blurted out here, so you guys know that it is the Rooster MSG. Some may say, Fwjchim, các chị need MSG, các chị bao cáng bây giờ. Ta chỉ cứ bao cơ, and that is why I am cutting up some cilantro now that I will be dumping into the Quetzal. I do like my Quetzal jinji hain ha really sour, so I do like to add a lot of lime. So I'm gonna go cut up about one whole lime just for the amount that I have inside of there. And then I'm also going to add some fish sauce. Now, the different types of Quetzal I've seen have more or less fish sauce. I give it enough just so that I'm able to spread it with whatever I am putting it on. And as you guys can see, I use 3 crabs. I would rather buy a bottle of squid brand, transfer it to a bottle of 3 crabs, just to tell my friends that I have 3 crabs because I'm bougie. There I am trying it now. The verdict is, it's good. And I ask you to come back and keep continuing to learn with me how to make different Hmong foods.